Swimsuit, first the national costume,
Oh, yeah.
and then swimsuit and
Evening
evening gown. That will determine the top 30.
That's gonna be a big day, no?
That's a big day. That's a whole day.
November.
The national costume starts at 1. It will finish about 4 or 5. Then maybe a 3-hour break, and then.
Well, congratulations.
Yeah. I
Ray.
mean, I'm shocked.
If there's
You know
anyone
what?
who knows about Miss Universe, it's you.
Yeah. John Ray Ramirez asked me, so I told her, you know what? I was just gonna be in Bangkok to watch Miss Universe on TV because I enjoy watching
know
it on
you're so
TV.
proud, but you have a
Because
place here.
I have a place here, but you can really see well on TV. I really enjoy watching Miss Universe on TV. And then suddenly I get a call and the letter from the email asking me to be in the closed door interview and preliminary.
Mahirap maging judge, you know?
It's hard,
I mean, the difference between being a
Yeah,
judge
yeah.
and just like a pageant fan watching.
Yeah, it's hard.
Kasi
When you're just watching, it's easy
Yeah,
to make
yeah,
comments, but when you're a judge, imagine 120 girls from 8 to 6 p.m. I feel like a zombie now.
Mahirap mag-score.
Huh?
Mahirap mag-score.
But when you're there, you'll be able to score. You'll
So
know.
inyong napanood at narinig mga kapolitika itong si Sir Louie Heredia na isa sa mga nag-interview at isa sa mga hurado dito sa Miss Universe 2025. So according doon sa ating confirmed na information is magiging judge rin siya dito sa preliminary competition. Pero doon sa finals ay iba na po yung selection committee na nai-report natin na mostly doon is mga Latinos na. Pero dito is magbibigay tayo ng mga insights kung ano ba yung mga sinabi ni Sir Louie together with Diane Castillejo. So hindi po natanong itong si Ate Sam Manalo dito kay Sir Louie kasi nga bawal daw doon sa contract according sa comment ng ating mga netizen. So general informations lang unfortunately yung kinakailang or yung pwedeng i-broadcast ni Sir Louie dito sa kanilang interview with Diane. So ang sinabi niya ay very competitive at na-amaze daw siya sa mga stories ng mga delegates. Marami mga kapolitika ang magagaling according dito sa kanyang sinabi. At yung iba pa nga daw is umiiyak kasi merong mga mothers kasi nga yung promotion nila with ng inclusivity na tinatawag. So merong mga mothers na namatayan daw ng anak. So hindi daw mapigilan ng ibang mga candidate na maiyak dito while kinikwento nila yung mga nangyari sa kanilang personal life. So I believe na it is also part of strategy para hindi sila makalimutan ng mga hurado. So anyway, marami kasi ang nagtatanong kung sino daw itong si Louie Heredia, most especially yung mga Gen Zs, yung mga medyo bata-bata pa, hindi kilala itong si Sir Louie. So nag-google tayo mga kapolitika kasi ako personally is hindi ko rin ito gaanong nakilala until ditong Miss Universe 2025 lang. So nagpatulong tayo dito kay Google at sabi ng Wikipedia, Louie Heredia, born July 3, 1964, is a Filipino retired singer. So isa pala siyang mga awit. He was popular in 1980s and 90s for the songs Nag-iisang Ikaw, Iisang Damdamin, Una't Huling Mamahalin, and Can't Find No Reason. He has also hosted and guested on several TV shows. So ito yung bio ni Sir Louie according dito sa Google. So sumikat pala siya mga kapolitikas 80s and 90s. So hindi na po natin naabutan yung mga araw na sikat itong hurado. So super excited na nga po ang lahat dito sa ganapin na Miss Universe Preliminary Competition for the year 2025 sa November 19. At araw po yan ng Miyerkules. So wala pa tayong informasyon kung anong oras gaganapin yung kailang prelim. Pero ang malinaw sa ngayon ay talagang all eyes na at talagang nakatutok na ang support dito sa ating manok na si Ate Sam Manalo. So ang hinahanap nila mga kapolitika according dito is good character at na-amaze siya sa mga contestant. Then nabanggit niya rin po yung no exact formula na sinasabi ni Catriona Gray na nababanggit natin doon sa ating mga videos na no exact formula sa pagpapanalo dito sa pagpapanalo dito sa Miss Universe kasi nga 99% is ilaan mo doon sa experience, 1% lang yung chance mo dahil hundreds of strong women ang nag-compete dito sa Miss Universe 2025. At ang sabi pa nga ng iba ay talagang madugo daw itong maging laban ni Atisa Manalo. So, tiwala lang po tayo mga kapolitika, and we are hoping for the best na this time around, kasi hindi natin alam kung dito kukunin yung top 10 at top 5, kasi merong mga nagko-comment na doon daw sa prelim kukunin na yung magiging winner. So, ibig sabihin doon sa finals ay parang formality na lang daw yun. Pero I don't believe so, kasi nga iba na yung mga hurado doon. So how come na magkakaroon ng iba't ibang judges gayong meron na sila palang nakatalagang winner top 10, top 5 dito sa preliminary competition. So I don't think na dito kukunin yung maging winner or yung higher ranking, kasi iba na nga, mostly doon sa finals is mga Latinos na yung mga judges. So I believe na doon pa rin po sa finals kukunin yung magiging top 5 at top 3. So mga kapolitika, ngayong araw po is day 15 na po dito sa kailang competition, at nag-rehearsal po itong mga delegates na kung saan ay pinasilip dito sa social media. So nakita natin yung mga videos na kumakalat. So ano ba yung ating magiging payo, magiging tip dito kay Atisa Manalo bago yung kanyang pinaka-inaabangan na talagang kumbate dito sa Miss Universe 2025, dahil ang lahat nga ay nakatutok na dito, at sabi pa nga dati ng aking coach noong nagtatrabaho pa tayo mga kapolitika, ang sinasabi ay pag Miss Universe na daw ay holiday daw ito sa kanya. So very excited na ang buong Pilipinas dito sa magiging laban ni Atisa Manalo, kung saan ay kapalaran na lang talaga ang makapagsasabi kung may uiba ni Atisa Manalo ang ikalimang korona ng Miss Universe. So excited na ba kayo mga kapolitika? Ano po ang inyong maging mensahe? Ang maging mensahe ko kay Atisa is just enjoy the show and everything will fall into place. So very simple at very precise yung aking payo, aking advice dito kay Atisa Manalo sa preliminary competition. So yun mga kapolitika ang ating update ngayon dito sa makaganapan at ito nga interview ni Diane Castillejo dito kay Sir Louie Hiradia, na isang Filipino judge dito sa Miss Universe 2025. So kung kayo ang tatanungin mga kapolitika, ano po ang inyong maging mensahe at payo dito kay Atisa bago ang pinaka-inaabangan na Miss Universe 2025 live in Bangkok? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo dito sa ating mga latest issue. So narito po pala mga kapolitika ang kabuang interview ni Diane Castillejo dito kay Sir Louie Hiradia.
So Louie, congratulations.
Thank you.
I mean, your closed door interview and preliminary competition judge.
Yes.
Wow.
I'm so touched. Wow, very touched. It was tiring today from 8 a.m. till 6 p.m. I feel like a zombie. Imagine interviewing 120 girls.
I know.
3 minutes each girl.
Yeah. Well, you know, you've been following Miss Universe for how long na, Louie? I mean, tell us about your experience and just your passion for this Miss Universe
I
pageant.
respect beauty and all these countries. They work so hard in these beauty contests, you know. And of course, Miss Universe is really on the top.
Yeah.
So everybody knows Miss Universe, you know.
So how are the girls in general? Because usually
They're all
there's
amazing. I was shocked, you know, like
in terms of what?
their personality, women empowerment, and they're so smart, and their careers. Wow, these women of today is really something else.
Diba?
Yeah. I asked them questions, you know, because you know I had their biodata and their resumes, but I wanted them to speak themselves and say, you know, like I asked them in a nutshell, tell me about yourself. And then I tried to talk about, you know, whatever they answered, I take it from there. I asked them about the fashion show yesterday. Did you enjoy it? And to walk that whole thing in 5-6 inches heels. But they enjoyed it because the people were close to them. It was quite fun and relaxing. Yeah.
How many minutes did you have with each candidate?
3 minutes. So this is what happens. After 3 minutes, the bell rings and they have to stand up. So if the girl's facing, they stand up and face outside because we put our scores.
Right.
Yeah. And then counterclockwise next. We were 8 judges, so turn by turn by turn by turn.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So, super important because from the closed door interview and the preliminary competition,
Yeah.
that will determine
Determine
who will be in
who-
the top 30.
Yeah. Is it 30 or 20? I don't know. I think 30. I think 30.
122, from
Yeah.
what we know, 122 to 30.
No, 120 na lang.
Oh,
Because Miss
120.
Iceland, I think, backed out or she was something. Yeah.
To 30 to 10 to 5 to 3.
2, 3. That's what I know. Huh?
Yeah.
Unless something will change again.
So what kind of a personality does the Miss Universe have to have?
Everybody asks me, what am I looking for? I mean,
Yeah.
of course, beauty, brains, good attitude, I think is important because Miss Universe organization will be working
That's right.
with her for the whole year. So, I mean, she has to be a good character. You cannot be a brat. So, I hope we
good
choose...
character.
Yeah, good character important. But, sometimes when you're judging, you just feel there's that it factor. And,
Yeah.
you don't know what it is. And, like what Catriona Gray said, like there is no
no
exact formula to choose a Miss Universe.
Yeah. Because, they always talk about that Miss Universe glow.
Yeah.
Diba? So that can surely be seen when
Yeah.
you're up close to them because you got up close to
Yeah.
them.
So, I mean, there were a few girls who really stood out, I have to say, during
In
the
terms of-
interview.
yeah.
And you're really close to them. You see their face really in front of you.
Yeah. So speaking about face, para sa akin, ang daming magaganda.
Maraming
like
magaganda.
sobra, di ba?
Yeah.
I mean, what do you think of the physical beauty of them?
Plenty are good. I cannot mention. This is
Yeah,
my
of
contract.
course.
We cannot mention. But I have to say this batch is quite strong. Huh?
It is,
It's
huh?
quite strong. Yeah.
So how excited are you for the preliminary competition?
So that's going to be the swimsuit. First the national costume.
Oh, yeah.
And then swimsuit and
Evening
evening
gown.
gown. That will determine the top 30.
That's gonna be a big day, no?
That's a big day. That's a whole day.
November.
The national costume starts at 1. It will finish about 4 or 5. Then maybe a 3-hour break. And then
So congratulations.
yeah,
Mary.
I mean, I'm shocked.
If there's
You know
anyone
what?
who knows about Miss Universe, it's you.
Yeah. Joan Ray Ramirez asked me, so I told her, you know what? I was just gonna be in Bangkok to watch Miss Universe on TV. Because I enjoy watching
know
it
you're
on
so
TV.
because you have a
Because
place here.
I have a place here, but you can really see well on TV. I really enjoy watching Miss Universe on TV. And then suddenly I get a call and the letter from the email asking me to be in the closed door interview and preliminary.
Mahirap maging judge,
It's hard,
I mean, the difference between being a judge and just like a pageant fan watching.
Yeah, it's hard. When you're just watching, it's easy
Yeah,
to make
yeah.
comments, but when you're a judge, imagine 120 girls from 8 to 6 p.m. I feel like a zombie.
Mahirap mag-score.
Huh?
Mahirap mag-score.
But when you're there, you'll be able to score. You'll know.
And I think that from how I saw them, you can really see the effort
Yeah.
of each girl talaga. Na parang they're so prepared. Would you say that they're very prepared?
They're very prepared. Very prepared. And the way they answer, they're so natural, smart.
Smart.
And their careers,
So many doctors.
Yeah,
Diba? One of them, I think, has a PhD in HIV research.
Yeah. A lot of mothers also this year, have children. There was one that the son died after 2 weeks because of something in the stomach, a hole in the stomach. Nice to hear their
I
story.
mean,
Touching.
it's so nice, no?
Yeah.
To hear
By the way,
the
some of them
stories.
were teared while talking with me, or in the other judges. Yeah.
What did you notice in terms of the similarities or differences between women from different parts of the globe? Was there any significant thing that stood out for you now?
I mean, no. The Latinas and the Asians and the Africans, no. They were all the same. I will say they're all very empowered,
Nice.
Nice, very nice. It was an experience, definitely. And there was a time that you're not just asking the questions, you're just chatting with them. There were times I was talking to them like this, just being myself also.
So now you have to be very objective.
Yeah, and I also gave them advice, like I said, the crown is only for one lady. So if the crown doesn't go to your head, there's a bigger crown. The experience, all the ladies you met,
That's true.
and then after this, you can look back and you can go visit each other's countries,
That's true.
have a reunion. I've been hearing that some of them will have reunion in Bali, Indonesia already.
Yeah. I mean, usually women like to make friends, diba?
Yeah.
And this one, you have instant friends from all
Instant
over the world.
friends,
And
yeah.
from what I hear from the past girls, Talagang there's really something na yung bond talaga formed.
But I'm really a bit chismoso because I would always ask this question, so who's your roommate? Do you get along well with your roommate? Well, not all get along well with their roommate. And they have to say,
Oh, they actually would
I mean,
share
but they
this?
said, yeah, they shared with me.
in the interview?
Yeah. All of us have different styles of asking. But they have to live with each
So you were
other.
given the freedom to ask whatever you
Well,
want.
whatever we want. I had set questions that, I also asked, of course, wow, why should you be the next Miss Universe, But more of it, you're not really waiting for the right answer. It's more of their personality that we're looking for, that can speak well. A couple of them spoke very well. Actually, most of them.
A lot of them,
Yeah.
because I think they really know
Magaling
that.
sila.
Oo, magaling.
Magaling, yeah.
Well, you better get some sleep
Yeah, I'm gonna
because
rest.
you need to recover
Yes,
and
soon.
have a fresh mind again
Yeah.
para sa prelim, di ba?
Yeah, fresh mind.
Louie Heredia,
Thank
Miss
you, guys.
Universe Closed Door Interview Judge and Preliminary Judge.
Okay.
Iba ka talaga. God bless.